How's it going, everybody? And in today's video I wanted to talk about one of our numerous endemic species here in Florida, the Florida scrub jay. It is listed as vulnerable, which with all the overdevelopment, invasive species, and other numerous problems we have in Florida will likely become endangered and extinct sooner than later, unfortunately, unless we do more things to help the species out. It's estimated they had a 90% decrease in their population, and now there's less than 10,000 individuals scattered throughout the state. Originally it was estimated to be about 100,000 to 150,000 individuals of their population throughout the state of Florida before European settlement. The Florida scrub jay is an omnivore, and its diet mainly consists of acorns, insects, fruits, things like that, and small vertebrates like lizards or frogs, sometimes small mice. They have a unique taste and habitat. They like small oak scrub, sandy soil, and frequent fires. Now, those places are typically found along sandy ridges, coastal dunes, and also along rivers. They are a corvid species. They're in the Corvidae family, the same as crows, jays, magpies, and a few other well-known species. They're also very intelligent, just like their siblings in the same family. I believe I heard something about them living in family groups, which is amazing if you think about it. Now, how can we help the Florida scrub jay? This is a very important topic and question, not just for the scrub jay, but any native endemic species here in Florida. Number one, a very big problem we have is cats. Please keep your cats indoors. Spay and neuter any stray cats you come across. This will seriously help in the long run to fight against feral cats and just unwanted, cats just roaming out in the open. Pesticides is another big thing. Any chemicals that you spray anywhere, that is a big thing hurting these birds. Habitat loss is the biggest thing for sure. So if we could help to preserve what little habitats they have left and increase those habitats, that would be a big thing for sure. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.